Well, hello guys, welcome back to Let's Play video of how a cat can escape a box. Now you close the box and then just wait.
Now wait.
Okay, as you can see, it's in there. You can't see though. Well, never mind, you can see it. It said meow.
Rar XD.
Okay, we're gonna go out. As you see, it's trying to attempt breakout. Now it tries to escape, but it realized, oh no, my arm is stuck. Never mind. Okay, no, it's not. Hey, stop making the hole.
Escape, my kitty.
Okay,
Be
now
skinnier.
it's trying to go to the other hole. Let's see what happens. Okay, just wait. Okay, now it escaped. Woo!
You stuck?
No. Okay. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. That's how cats can escape boxes. So don't make holes too big.